in the Learning Lab with Miss Jessica, we are going to be making a supersaturated solution, and you are going to use that to make crystal snowflakes. So you need your supplies. You're going to need some kind of vase or a glass jar that has a wider top. You will need your pipe cleaners. You will need some string. You will need a pencil, your borax that comes in your kit, and you will also need some boiling water. So make sure you have an adult to help you with this project. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do for your crystal snowflakes is to get your pipe cleaners. You should have white pipe cleaners or blue. This is all that we had available at our store, so we're going to use these purple ones. You want to twist them, use about 2, twist them into a snowflake shape that has 6 sides. I left one side a little bit longer with a hook on top, and I will show you why. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is take your pencil and attach a piece of string. Now it's going to depend on how tall your jar or vase or whatever glass container you are using. So for this one, it's going to be down like that because I do have my extended piece with the hook. And the reason you want it to be wider is because your snowflake should not touch the bottom or the sides, or else crystals will form and get stuck in there. So as you can see, you want to test it out. You want to make sure it's not touching the sides or the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to take my boiling water and put it into whatever container I am using. Now to make the supersaturated solution, you're going to use about 4 tablespoons of your borax. To make the supersaturated solution, you're going to make sure that your borax makes it look cloudy. It's not going to be able to mix in, and that's when you know it's super saturated. This is what you're looking for your supersaturated solution. You can see that there are still bits of the borax powder floating around. You know that it's a supersaturated solution, and you're ready to add in your snowflake. Okay, so you're going to attach your snowflake onto your string, which is on your pencil, and you're going to carefully put it in to the boiling water. Make sure, again, it's not touching the sides or the bottom. You are going to leave it in here overnight or about 24 hours and come back and check on it. By 6 o'clock, we noticed we didn't need to wait anymore and that our crystals had already formed on our snowflake. So it will depend on your solution. Let your crystal snowflake drip dry and place on a paper towel. These look amazing. We plan to use these for winter decorations and maybe for Christmas next year. Here is our crystal snowflake after drying overnight. You can clean your vase or glass jar using hot water and a butter knife to scrape off the bottom. Thanks for joining the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab and making crystal snowflakes. Share with us what you're going to do with yours.